as you can see, the antenna has already been installed outside. GOtv. It has been mounted outside. The red side is up while the green side is down. So you can now go inside and use this other terminal and connect it to the decoder itself, RF in, so that we will now continue with the installation. So let us go inside. Let me show you how you can run it. All right. Okay, right now I want to show you how you can now connect your AV wire to the TV so that it will display the GOtv that we want to install on the television. So as you can see here, this TV you are seeing has HDMI 1, HDMI 2 components. All these ones are components. So when you connect your AV wire here, it will be black and white, it will not be colored. If you connect it to this CAT, this is an extension. If you connect your GOtv AV wire here, it will be okay as well. So this is yellow, this is white, and this is red. So if you connect it here, it will work as well. This is another AV. So this is yellow, this is white, and this is red. So red and white are audio terminals. Red is audio R, that is right, while white is audio L, that is left, while the yellow side is the video. So this video is the one that is displaying the pictures, that is the yellow. If you want to run your GOtv so that it will be sounding on a home theater, so this is what you will do. You will leave only the yellow side, remove the white and the red, and plug it to the audio of that home theater. As you can see, this is our wire. This is the AV cable of the GOtv GOtv that we are installing. So we'll just carry the wire, plug it right there to the yellow, to the white, and to the red. So right now the GOtv has started displaying on the TV because this TV is on.